Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker symbol ISPC, just looking at some of the recent news stories here. One here from bngo talking about the shares trading higher and strength appears to be due to momentum in COVID-related stocks amid new variant concerns. It says the company last week announced a contract to support new advanced research on COVID-19. Let's check out some of the price action here. I've got the 15-minute chart pulled up, and you can see this huge explosion here. Price was in an uptrend, pulled back pretty good from about $21.46 or so, all the way down to about $9. So you can really see this big move down here, but it really started to flatten out around this $9 mark. And then heading into after hours trading on Wednesday, you start to see these really big moves. Continued pre-market, and then at the start of regular hours yesterday, it continued to rip, got all the way up to 24.67 before pulling back. So you can definitely see in the short term, definitely was in a nice uptrend here before pulling back and kind of starting to flatten out here. My trend reversal indicator on this candle right here, I plotted a buy, and the price ripped up above the 21-day exponential moving average, but then quickly pulled back and was just kind of straddling that 21-day EMA heading into after hours trading. Let's check out the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, you can see some big moves here, pulling back a little bit below that 21, around that $9 mark, and then able to stay above the 21-day EMA since that point. So yeah, you can kind of see right here, big explosion, pull back to the 21, rejected it nicely, made a big rip higher, and then pulled back again near the 21-day EMA, and then continued to rip. On this time frame, the trend reversal indicator is showing a sell signal on this candle right here. That candle actually closed around 1878 or so. And the price in after hours trading actually finished up around 1913. So price is actually up just a little bit since the close of that candle there, where my trend reversal indicator plotted that sell signal. Pretty sure the daily chart is pretty dumb looking. Yeah, there's not a lot to see here. A lot of gapping up, a lot of gapping down. Huge wick sticking out. You can definitely see that rejection here. I guess one thing to note on the daily chart is this huge profit taking and this huge rejection here on this candle. That really big gap up. Buyers really trying to drive this thing up, and a lot of profit taking, a lot of selling came in there and left that huge wick sticking out on the top. So let's go back to the 15-minute chart. And yeah, you can definitely see here this nice little uptrend was respecting the 21-day EMA pretty good once this thing started to rip here. Let me try to throw up a line here. Yeah, it seems to be at a pretty critical point. If I extend a trend line from some of these bottoms on the 15-minute chart, it is like right at that point. So you have a rip, pulled back, ripped, pulled back, not all the way to this trend line, kind of straddled or respected the 21-day EMA a little bit. Another rip, then on this pullback, it did pull back all the way to that 21-day EMA. So it appears to be at a pretty important price point right now. It's straddling right on this uptrend line right now. So I think it could be a key point if the price starts to sell off, breaks through this uptrend line, closes below, breaks below this uptrend line and closes below this uptrend line on this 15-minute time frame. I would keep an eye around here, maybe 1683 up to around maybe 1750, somewhere in that range, just to see if it can hold that level. If it cannot hold that level, then I think we could be making a pretty good move down. You can see another low here around $15 or so. And then to the upside, maybe keep an eye first on this price point here around 2081. Because you can see, the thing was ripping, and then it pulled back pretty good, and then it ran up to around that 2081 point rejected that pretty good. You have this big bull candle to get it above the 21-day EMA, and then you have some pretty good selling coming in. So on its latest attempt, not able to break through that 2081 level. If it can break through that 2081 level and close above that level on this time frame, then I would be looking up around maybe 2285. I mean, you see a bunch of wicks sticking out around that level. This huge wick here, several wicks here, another small wick here, and a lot of selling came in after that point. So yeah, if it can get above that around 2081 level, close above that, I think it would go up here to test this level around 2289 or so. And then if it could close above at that level, I think we're going to see a very big rip higher. There'll be a lot of bullish presence in the stock if it busts through this 2289 level. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on ticker ISPC or iSpecimen Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.